Hey guys, Nelson Ryan here, Southern Lite LED. We have a very, very popular light here. This is our Gen 3 light. Gen 3 light, it's pretty obvious. It's our third generation, and it also comes with 3 lights. You got your side illumination, you have your front illumination. This is originally our Gen 2 light in the center and our cube 80 watts in the side. This is a camo version. This is camo to match this particular boat. This is a gator tail black nat gear boat, and we did it. Also, this boat was clear coated, and we offer that too. Anything you want, we can do it. That's what we do. Also, with the Gen 3 is you get the navigation lights. You can see it both here on both sides. This is our Gen 2 navigations on this light. Also, this light has the rivet crush nuts in it, so you don't have to worry about anybody taking your light in the middle of the night in a hotel somewhere where you found the ducks. Also, the Gen 3 is extremely unique. Like everyone knows, you have 3 lights. With 3 lights, you have to have a complete even light of projection. When you're back there driving, you don't want to have one light here, and one light in the center. With our lights and the way we control our diodes through our lenses, you have a complete over 190 degree of illumination. So it is completely even light throughout. You do not have dead zones like other people. Also, a lot of people, man, it's extremely tall. I like the narrow light bars. We don't do that, guys. We don't do it for a reason. You have to have height in your projection because you have to have horizontal projection where the light can fluctuate depending on the height of what you have in your boat. You might have 2 guys one day, you might have just you and your dog the next day. We have taken all that into consideration and providing you absolute perfect beam projection in navigating at night. That's what we do best. If you got any questions, reach out to us, www.southernliteled.com. You can give us a call or reach out to our text message support. Thank you.